Looking for a budget-friendly TV that doesn't skimp on features? Well, hold on to your remotes because the Insignia 32-inch F20 series might just be your perfect match. This model, specifically the NS-32F202NA23 with SKU 6495086, is making waves at just $99.99. And with a solid 4.6-star rating from over 2,179 reviewers, it's safe to say this TV is a crowd pleaser. But what's all the fuss about? This Insignia TV packs a punch with its 32-inch Full HD display, making it perfect for smaller spaces like bedrooms or kitchens. And the best part? It's a SmartFire TV, meaning you've got a world of entertainment right at your fingertips. So buckle up as we dive into the nitty-gritty of what makes this TV a steal. Now, let's get down to brass tacks and explore what makes this Insignia TV tick. The 32-inch screen delivers crisp visuals in stunning Full HD resolution, ensuring you don't miss a single detail of your favorite shows or movies. But the real star of the show is the integrated SmartFire TV experience. This means you can say goodbye to cable bills and hello to a universe of streaming content from platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, all without the hassle of external devices. Navigating this entertainment paradise is a breeze with the user-friendly interface. And if you prefer a hands-free approach, the voice control feature lets you simply speak your commands. Just grab the remote, press the microphone button, and ask Alexa to find your favorite show, check the weather, or even control your other smart home devices, all with the power of your voice. Don't let the compact size fool you. This Insignia TV delivers surprisingly good picture quality for its class. The Full HD resolution ensures sharp details and vibrant colors, making your viewing experience a delight. While it may not boast the high-end features of its pricier counterparts like HDR or local dimming, the picture quality is more than adequate for everyday viewing. Whether you're catching the latest blockbuster or binge-watching your favorite sitcom, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series won't disappoint. The colors are natural, the contrast is decent, and the motion handling is smooth enough for casual gaming or watching fast-paced action scenes. One of the biggest selling points of the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is its integration with Fire TV. This means you're not just getting a TV, you're getting a portal to a world of entertainment possibilities. The Fire TV platform is known for its intuitive interface and vast app library, giving you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, games, and more. From popular streaming giants like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney+ to niche channels and live TV options, Fire TV has something for everyone. You can even rent or purchase movies and TV shows directly from the platform, eliminating the need for multiple subscriptions. The user-friendly interface makes finding your favorite content a breeze, and the personalized recommendations ensure you always have something new to watch. In today's world of smart homes and connected devices, voice control is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. And the Insignia 32-inch F20 series doesn't disappoint in this department either. Thanks to its built-in Alexa integration, you can control your TV and other compatible smart home devices with just your voice. Want to watch the latest episode of your favorite show? Just say, "Alexa, play show name on Netflix." Feeling a bit chilly? Ask Alexa to adjust the thermostat. The possibilities are endless. This seamless integration with Alexa makes the Insignia 32-inch F20 series a truly smart TV experience. When it comes to connectivity, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series covers all the basics. It features 3 HDMI ports, allowing you to connect your cable box, gaming console, Blu-ray player, or streaming stick without breaking a sweat. You also get a USB port which comes in handy for playing media from external storage devices or even powering up your smartphone. Additionally, you'll find an Ethernet port for a wired internet connection, ensuring a stable and reliable streaming experience. And if you prefer wireless connectivity, the TV also comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, so whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming with friends, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series has got you covered on the connectivity front. Every TV has its strengths and weaknesses, and the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is no exception. Let's start with the good stuff. For the price, you're getting an incredible value with a solid 32-inch Full HD display, the convenience of Fire TV, and the added bonus of voice control. The picture quality is surprisingly good for its class, and the user-friendly interface makes navigating the world of streaming a breeze. However, there are a few areas where the Insignia 32-inch F20 series falls short. The built-in speakers are decent at best, but don't expect a cinematic audio experience. You might want to consider investing in a soundbar or external speakers for a more immersive audio experience. Additionally, while the Fire TV platform offers a vast app library, it's still not as extensive as some other smart TV platforms. Now, let's see how the Insignia 32-inch F20 series stacks up against the competition. In the budget-friendly 32-inch TV segment, you'll find competitors like TCL, Hisense, and Vizio. These brands also offer compelling options with similar features, but the Insignia 32-inch F20 series often comes out on top with its winning combination of price, features, and user experience. The TCL 32S335 is another popular choice in this category, boasting a similar feature set and a slightly more vibrant display. However, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series edges it out with its Fire TV integration, which offers a more user-friendly and content-rich experience. Ultimately, the best TV for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So, is the Insignia 32-inch F20 series the ultimate TV for everyone? Well, not quite. But for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for a budget-friendly TV for a smaller space like a bedroom, dorm room, or kitchen, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is an excellent choice. It's also a great option for casual viewers who prioritize value and convenience. However, if you're a serious cinephile or gamer who demands the absolute best picture quality and audio performance, you might want to consider investing in a higher-end model. That being said, for the average user who wants a solid TV without breaking the bank, the Insignia 32-inch F20 series is a winner. It's a smart, affordable, and user-friendly option that won't disappoint.